welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing just a real quick get ready with me. I'm headed to go meet my mom for lunch. There's like a food truck thing in town and we are gonna go have lunch at that today. So I gotta get ready here real quick. You know what, I forgot to dampen my beauty sponges, so I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. So they are dampened and they are ready to go. I'm gonna start off again with my Derma Blend Insta-Grip Jelly Primer. So maybe we'll get a little bit more of a wear out of this today. I did a face mask last night, like a sheet mask, and it said to leave on whatever you call it, the serum afterwards, to just kind of like rub it into your skin and leave it on. And I woke up this morning with like a big zit right there in my nose. So that was fun. This is, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. And then today we are using my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna shake it up here. And I'm just gonna use my Morphe sponge. Put on some chapstick. My lips have been so chapped lately, and then I always do this little frog lick thing that I have to edit out of all my videos because it looks silly. So maybe if I keep my lips nice and moistened, I won't do that the whole time. Okay, concealer. We're going to do the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this one is in Light Cream Brulee, and my foundation shade was Vienna. I like this concealer. It's not necessarily because it has the greatest coverage, because it really doesn't, but it's just, it's light. It's not like real thick. I don't really care for the thick concealers, even though they cover up better. I just don't like that feeling. Alright, and then real quick we're going to go in with my Coty Airspun and set all of that. I've been having an issue with this blender lately. Let me see. I guess I should call it a sponge because it's not a beauty blender. Doesn't do what it's been doing. Alright, I'm gonna grab a brush, grab what's on the lid here. Next, I'm going to go into my Cargo bronzer, and this is Bronzer Matte Bronzer. Bronzing brush. We're going to go into my blush. This is Makeup Revolution, the Matte Blush Powder in Beloved. And these are pretty pigmented, so just go in with a very light hand. Couldn't find my blush brush and it was right in front of me. For my highlight, I'm going in with the e.l.f. I think it says Heart Definition. Yeah, e.l.f. Heart Definition, I think is what it says on there. This was like a collab, and honestly, I have no idea who it was with, but they're pretty pretty. They're pretty pretty. So one's kind of like more of a bronzer highlight, one's more of a highlight. There you go. You always suck at swatches. So I'm gonna grab my e.l.f. highlighting blush, e.l.f. highlighting brush. I even said it real slow so I would say it right, and I still said it wrong. And then you probably already guessed since I was holding it up, but we are going in with Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette in Sizzle. So this is the fourth one I think that they have come out with. Okay, so we're first gonna go in with Playa. I feel like I'm pointing at the right one. Playa. Is that supposed to be like Playa del Carmen? I don't know. Alright, next color I'm going to go into is Paddleboard. It's definitely one that you're going to have to build up. I'm like really trying to get my brush in there. I'm gonna go in one more time. I don't feel like you get a lot of color payoff, but maybe that's the point. So maybe this is for the more faint of heart when it comes to eyeshadow. There's only like 3 mattes. So the first one we use Playa, then Paddleboard, and then this dark one down here, which is Off Duty. The rest are shimmers. I think I'm gonna go into this Starfish color right here. And then I'm going to grab Sandcastle. lot of fallout from that. I did go in pretty hard picking it up on my brush because I wanted to get a lot of color on there. I must have a fuzz on my nose. Oh, I did. And then I'm going to go into that off-duty, the real dark brown. Alright, I'm gonna go into Kite Surf. This one right here. I'm going to take that paddleboard along my bottom lash line. And I'm going to go into Sandcastle. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other eye, do my eyebrows, and then we'll come back. Alright, so we got our brows on now. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencils in medium brown and soft brown. And then, let's do mascara first. So I got my Clinique High Impact Mascara. And I do have my Rimmel. Yeah, Rimmel Scandleyes Waterproof Kohl Kajal Eyeliner in Nude. I did sharpen it yesterday because I used it, so it should be good to go. That's it for the eyeballs. So this is the Milani Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color in Idol. I just got this the other day. Peppermint. I put lipstick on the other day and I did such a horrible job. So we're gonna use a close-up here. Ooh, setting spray. Let's use my Morphe. I really need to pick up more of this. I love this. I love that setting spray. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm going to go ahead and go meet up with my mom. Please comment down below if you have tried the Tarte palette out yet or if you're going to go pick it up. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody!